to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is sending a message to Donna. And she's saying basically, Donna is just coming and basically she needs to settle down and stop, going after her. And you have to go ahead and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say to Donna and why she said that to her. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating your wonderful birthdays today, I wish you prosperity and all that your heart desires today. And for all my other lovelies and friends, my supporters, my followers, my family, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And just keep going. Life is giving you another chance to be up and about, be happy, be merry, and keep moving forward. Up and now. Bye-bye.
Spray my face with rose water and aloe and herbs. And my neck. Yes, my dear. So that is what I do. Yeah, people. Me want to say this. I want to tell you guys. If you don't see me do videos from 2 years ago or 3 years ago, nobody go dig it up and dash it out of social media, make it seem like say me just do it yesterday or today. Because uno have a little compassion towards me. First you say these people out there are talk about me. I have not done any live. All I'm doing is video from the other day. Because I want to have a peaceful birthday celebration. And I have something with me I do. So I want to make sure so I don't do what I do, I come back live. Also, I just went on Instagram and I see Miss Lady of Florida, known as Donna. You do one video where you show inside of your bedroom. Me I gonna let you know, bitch, that the bedroom set the way you have. Me been have better than that and give it away. Me have better than that and left that Ross in a woodland village. Me know when you talk about hotel and when you come from Jamaica, me come make a video here. You no used to nothing. I, Marcia Campbell, used to something. You just experience nice quality house. You just experience big space. So stop coming social media, Donna, and make an ass of yourself. Because I know you alone have nice bedroom. I know you alone have big bedroom set. The bedroom set they want $3,000 bedroom set. You understand? And a big bedroom set. You have some woman out there who want $10,000 bedroom set. I know you alone have big bedroom set. Anybody can rent an apartment. Anybody can buy a house. But it's a hope that you sell enough care to maintain it. You're too show off. Them said, if I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. Show off, bring disgrace. And you are behaving too bumbleclap much now when it comes to coming on social media. But me understand that you know come from nowhere. You're coming from a ghetto. You understand? You used to live in a shack-up place and you widen it out. So you feel like say you can't come and drop out. I hope that wherever you rent or if you buy something, I hope that you can maintain it. That is the key word. I hope that you can maintain it. I hope you continue to bake a cake them and maintain it. Because let me tell you something. America is not a bed of roses. So stay there, come by your page and I drop word. Who want to go hotel and who don't want to go hotel. Yes. When I leave Woodland Village, because of Uno and because of your people them, you Donna, because of your people them, your planka people them, and the people we are follow back, you put on my business. I make my business good on the drain by talking all kind of something and cursing me. You understand? And when I left Woodland Village, I went into a resident inn by Marriott, a loft, where your place where you have no big like that. Me not ask you. And me I go tell you, Donna, say, all when you have to bake 100 cake, or 50 or 60 or 70 cake, or 100 cake to make when me make on a weekly basis. Bitch, I am telling you, you now make amount of money when me I make on a monthly basis. You now make it. You have to bake one heap of rotted cake to care on where me care on a weekly basis. And me nah brag and me nah boast on that. So no worry yourself, because anybody can rent a big apartment. A Florida there. House cheap of Florida. You understand? Apartment cheap. As long as you have your money, your $2,000, your $3,000, you can buy it. Stop coming out of social media and brag on American people. They are work long. You just come here on a green card. You don't earn no rights yet. You don't earn no stripe yet. For you come here, you don't have a regular job. You're on a 1099. You understand? That's what you're on. You're on a YouTube and a Facebook paperwork. You know, they pay the regular one and pay federal and state tax. So you can't chat to nobody about your way of work very, very hard to maintain themselves. So you have to go back up and pack up from that and stop showing for yourself. Humble yourself. Humble yourself. I don't come up at me no say me talk. Me not ask you. Me no say me you're talking. But I'm gonna let you know. Anybody can buy a house if them can maintain it. Anybody can rent an apartment. Where you having a your house a riffraff. Me not ask you. Where you having your house a riffraff. A Burlington something them you having there. You don't have nothing valuable. The piece of bag of bed where you have, you know, worth no more than about $3,500 to $4,000. You understand? It's ugly. A sub apartment, as long as you have your $2,000 apartment them and your $3,000 you can rent it. Don't come up and go you're going to drop out from people. But if you come up, no worry. No worry about me. Me quite alright. Me not ask you. Me alright. So you stay there and rub up your little old dirty cake them and your little taste bad cake them and go do what you have to do to survive. While I doing what I got to do and survive, I'm quite alright. Because me no say me a drop out pan. Me just hear it a while ago, me no say me a drop out pan. Go on about your business. You sit down on YouTube. I have nothing to give. Chat pure foolishness and nothing to give. And go on like you're important. Me do my little nursing work and me quite alright. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. And every tongue rise against me condemn in judgment. People, me I go on my bed. Look at me nice clean face, Donna. You see, me not look tired. You look like them whole pop down bus and Leland Chuck. The time you did you worry about vanity, go spend some money for your skin so you can clean up the bag them and the eye and you can look refreshed and nice like Marcia Campbell. Me not have no filter on my face. 52-year-old. Me not come out of Facebook and looking whole and tired. And me at 52 now, me not bad enough to call to me. Yes, me know me ass ugly. But me alright. God has been good to me and me not complain. You understand? Me know my belly big and me out of shape and all of them something there. But that way who no say. But to me, I am a gorgeous black woman. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Me have to tell you that, because me never keep this. Me have to tell you that. Me never do keep this. This song says, if I'm too high, Lord bring me down. You see, you have to have posse out if you back you up. Marcia have the posse if you back me up. You have to have posse out if you back you up. Me don't have posse out if you back me up. Me work by myself. And without your posse, you can't survive. Because you don't have no certificate in nothing, America. You don't have no skill in America. So see how long you're going to stay in the house and bake for. Yes, so make sure you save money so you can go get one bakery. Because I know me attack. I don't care who want to cuss me. I don't care who want to cuss me, because let me tell you something. Anytime you come back my life again, I bet you know who will not ramp with me. I bet you will not ramp with me anytime you come back my life again. In the next month. May come for my birthday. But I bet you when I come back out here, you don't ramp with me. I go and fix in the ass business with you. Silent river, run deep. Silent river, run deep. Because if you don't feel so, you go and come on social media and use me. I mean, isn't that so stupid? You can't carry furniture to your grave. You can't come America and brag on people. You just say you don't use nothing. I put on camera show in a bedroom. Eh? Oh, yeah, so I you run, go buy, go make 2 gala, so you can't come show off, pan cheap bedroom set. Them the little cheap $3,000, $4,000 bedroom set. You come a cheap, you come a brag pan. You can't brag pan, maybe it's a whole ugly something there. You cannot brag because say first in your lifetime you ever live in a space like that, where you chuck up a Jamaica, like I went bees in a hive. So you come down at, but me not blame you anyway, because you not used to nothing. You don't used to nothing. Me I answer you. You're bright and out order. You don't use to nothing. You see when me I put my head at night time and sleep, your place no look so. So go and show, because you go on like say you alone, living a little space. Anybody have the money can rent a place. Anyway, people, have a good night. I have to say what I have to say. And that is it. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't bring your checkbook. Bring your broken heart. It's members only tonight. Remember, people, to roll out March the 8th and come support Marcia Campbell. Come support a real girl. Don't support a girl who show off on people. Donna walk a show off on me. My gala paid for in full. Me have my DJ money. Me have my security money. Me have my liquor money. And me have my camera money. And me have everything. I'm not depending on people who come there to come buy nothing. Everything I have my money put aside. And I eat upon them. So me not depend on nobody to come do nothing for me. You understand? So big up on yourself. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.